Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use wireless internet on your PC. So let's start the video. So first of all we need a Wi-Fi dongle. We have to connect it in our PC. Then we have to use wireless internet. So let's open the box. So in the box we'll find the dongle and we have to connect it with our PC. Then we can use wireless internet. So as you can see, this is the dongle. We have to open it and we have to connect it with our PC. So let's open it. Now we have to open the box. Then we have to open the cap of this dongle and we have to connect it with our PC. So after connecting it, we can go to our PC and then we can see it will show a notification. So it has connected now. So as we connected it, if we click on the network, you will see it will show the Wi-Fi which is around us. So we can connect any Wi-Fi from here. So let's connect a network. So we will connect here and we will give the Wi-Fi password here. And then we have to click next. Then it will connect automatically. So as you can see, it is working like a laptop. So it is now wireless network connected with my PC. If we browse any browser or you can open any browser, we can check the internet whether it is working or not. So if we go to fast.com, as you can see it is working perfectly and it is showing the network speed of my internet. So if it is working, then we can browse another website. We can go to YouTube. We can search it here. Hello friends, welcome to my. So as you can see it is working perfectly. One more thing here, this is the driver CD. If it is not working on your Windows, please install the driver, then it will work perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.